Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create tab groups here in Google Chrome on a PC or laptop. So tab groups, every website that is open, it is called tab. So for example, you're doing a research and you have multiple tabs over here that it gets overwhelming for you already and you want it to be organized. You can create tab groups by doing a right click on one tab and then click Add tab to new group. So you can name this group, so for example, shopping. Then you can also choose the color. And then, for example, this one, we wanted to add the shopping. Just uh, double click on it and then hover over the category. So once you see this line, like the purple line that is like the same here, it means that it is already added. And once you also hover over, you can see that two tabs are included in this tab group. And then once you click this one, it will toggle the tabs in that particular tab group and click it once again and it will show all that groups there. So you can also put this here, like hover over then that one. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.